Assalamu alaikum. I am Amiyo Bhattacharjee. I am going to take higher mathematics class today. I think all of you will cooperate. Higher maths. Plus 10. Sylhet Board. Question number 2. Actually, questions of 2020, 2020 are not given in the test papers. So you just copy it. Don't think that these questions are given in the test papers, but it will be given in the month of mid-November or December. Question number 2. One by 6x plus 1, 6x plus 1 whole square is an infinite geometry series. Question number A. If x equals to 1, we have to find the common ratio. Question number B. Find the sum of first 10 terms for x equals to 1 by 3. Question number C. Impose a condition on x upon which the given will have a sum and find the sum. Just copy the math. Last day many of you just told me what is the question. So be the first one to copy the question. In the test papers, up to 2020, up to 2019 questions are given. It is the question of 2020. Okay, let us solve the question. question number A. 1 by 6x plus 1 by plus 1 whole square 1 by 6x plus 1 whole cube dot 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 dot. Okay, x equals to 1. What is meant by it? It means 6 into 1 plus 1. Listen. 6 into 1 plus 1 whole square. 6 into 1 plus 1 whole cube. X equals to 1. I have put x equals to 1. So 1 by 7. 1 by 7 square. 1 by 7 cube. We have to find the common ratio. Here, the common ratio, comma, R is equal to second term by first term. So it is equal to 1 by 7 square into 7 by 1. That is 1 by 7. So the question number A is done. Like that we come this one.
No. Cool.
Now we have to go to question number B. Now question number B, where it was written that x equals to 1 by 3. So we'll try to put x equals to 1 by 3. That is 6 into 1 by 3 plus 1. 6 into 1 by 3 plus 1 whole square. Six into 1 by 3 plus 1 whole cube plus dot 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 is equal to 1 by 3 to the 6, 2 plus 1, 3, 1 by 3. Here it is 1 by 3 square. It is 1 by 3 cube. Here, first term A equals to 1 by 3. Common ratio R is equal to 1 by 3 square by 1 by 3 equals to 1 by 3. And we know that 1 by 3 is less than 1. The formula, we know Sn equal to A1 minus R to the power n by 1 minus R. Since R is less than 1. For greater than 1, we have another formula. Therefore, sum of first 10 terms. So for n, it is 10. What is A? A is 1 by 3. A is equal to 1 by 3. What is R? R is 1 by 3. 10 For n it is 10, r is 1 by 3. I have put the values. Value of a is 1 by 3. This is 1, has been kept as it is. R equals to 1 by 3, R equals to 1 by 3, and the value of n is 10, as we are told here to find the sum of first 10 terms. 1 minus R equals to 1 by 3. Then calculation is equal to, it is 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 to the power 10, that is 1, 3 to the power 10, that is 3 to the power 10, by 1 minus 1 by 3, LCM 3, 3 minus 1, 1 by 3, 3 to the power 10, 3 to the power 10 minus 1, into, by inversing, it is 3, 3 minus 1 equals to 2. So these 3 will be omitted. So we will be left with 3 to the power 10 minus 1 by 2 into 3 to the power 10. You can keep, or you can leave your answer like this, you will get full marks. Or if you want, you can use the calculator to find the value. But no need, it's the answer. I think you don't have any question because you have been doing it from class 9. So you are acquainted with this type of maths for a long time. Now we have to go to question number C. Before going to question number C, I want to make you understand something regarding to find the sum up to infinity. Suppose we know Sn equal to a1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r. We know it. If r, if the absolute value of r is less than 1, that means minus 1 less than r less than 1. Absolute value, actually, suppose, what is meant by this? Absolute value of x, what is meant by this? Absolute value of x is equal to x when x is greater than or equal to 0, or minus x when x is less than 0. Anyway, for another day we will discuss about the absolute value. Let r equals to 0.5, which lies between minus 1 and 1. Okay? If n equals to 1, r to the power n, that means 0.5 whole to the power 1. N equals to 2, r to the power, suppose 0.5 whole to the power 2. if n equals to 3, r to the power n 0.5 whole to the power 3. If n equals to 4, r to the power n 0.5 whole to the power. Just I have written the value of n is as by 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the result here? 0.5 equals to 0.5. 0.5 whole square, that is 0.25. 0.5 whole to the power 3, that means 0.125. This is 0.5, that means 0.0625. Now let us fill this like this. What you are getting? The power n its value has been increased. Power 1, power 2, power 3, power 4. But the value of r to the power n, the value of r to the power n has been decreased. Power has been increased. Power has been increased. Gradually it has been increased. But r to the power n, the value of r to the power n has been gradually decreased. It was at first 0.5, 0.25, 0.125, 0.0625. Actually, you know what is meant by it. Suppose you take out your calculator. Take out your calculator. If n is sufficiently large, suppose a large number, I can take 999. Can you tell me what will be its result? Use the calculator. Okay, I am using the calculator. 0.5 whole to the power 999. 0.5 whole to the power 999. I have written 0.5 whole to the power 999. You know, 0.5 whole to the power 999 is equal to what? We want to see equals to what? It is 0. 0.5 whole to the power 999. It is 0. So the result is 0. That means if r lies between -1 and 1 and the power n is sufficiently large, then r to the power n tends to be 0. Actually, mathematically it is never 0. There will be definitely some. So we can call it if n is sufficiently large, then r to the power n tends to be 0. We cannot call that exactly it is 0, but it is tends to be 0 means 0. R to the power n, it has tendency to become 0. That is, r to the power n tends to be 0. Okay? If you have any question regarding this, please. In your calculator, what I showed, that 0.5 whole to the power 999 equals to 0. This is R and this is N. This is R and this is N. R to the power N equals to 0. Now, I am going there where I was at first. If N is sufficiently large, that is value of N infinity, an infinite number, then what we will get? R to the power N equals to 0. R to the power N equals to 0. 1 minus R. That means S infinity equals to, this is A, this is the formula to find the sum of an infinite geometry series. In question number C, we will need this formula. Now we are going to question number C. Let's go to question number C. Is it done? R to the power N equals to 0. R to the power N equals to 0. Okay. As I told you, 0.5 whole to the power 999 is equal to 0. Now I am going to question number C. 1 by first term A equal to 1 by common ratio R is equal to 1 by 1 whole square. I'm writing a little bit larger. 1 by 6x plus 1 whole square by 1 by 6x plus 1 is equal to 1 by 6x plus 1. You have to impose a condition on x upon which the given infinite geometry series will have a sum. That means write down the given infinite geometric series will have a sum if and only if absolute value of R is less than 1. That means 1 by 6x plus 1, I'm not getting you. Less than 1. It means minus 1 by minus 1 less than 1 by 6x plus 1 less than 1. Write down. The given infinite geometry series will have a sum if and only, this is the formula, that the absolute value of R is less than 1. Okay. So I have put the value of R here. as I told you that it means minus 1 less than or less than 1, like this I have written it. Then here we have this part. At first we consider this part. 1 by 6x plus 1 less than 1. Okay, we have to find the value of x, right? So let us inverse. That is by invertendo we get it is greater than 1. Have you got me? This has been inversed. 1 by 6x plus 1. So there is 1, like there is 1 here. So if we inverse, then sign will be interchanged. Sorry, exchanged. I mean, if it is less than, it will be greater than. Okay. This 1 will be omitted from both the sides. 6 is greater than 0. X greater than 0. Or minus 1 less than 1 by 6x plus 1. Now I am going to consider this part. I am going to consider this part. Minus 1 less than 1 by 6x plus 1. That is, we will again inverse it. Greater than 6x plus 1. I have inversed by invertendo. This is less than, so it is greater than. This can be taken to the left hand side, so it will be less than minus 1 or less than minus 2, x less than minus 1 by 3. So the required condition, write down the required condition x greater than 0 or x less than minus 1 by 3. I saw too many students writing the answer like this: minus 1 by 3 less than x less than 0. It is absolutely wrong. You will not get mark. It is absolutely wrong. I repeat, it is absolutely wrong. But about 90% of the students used to write this. But it is absolutely wrong. Because suppose why it is wrong? Actually, suppose it is 0 and it is minus 1, suppose it is 1. Minus 1 by 3, that is 0.5, this is minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3. X greater than 0, x greater than 0 means its right side. X will be here. X less than minus 1 by 3. This is minus 1 by 3 less than. See, this is empty. There is no value of x here. But students write like this, minus 1 by 3 less than x less than 0. Can we combine it? No, we cannot combine it. We cannot combine it, okay? So answer will be this, only this, x greater than 0 or x less than minus 1 by 3. There is no other option, but we are bound to write this, x greater than 0 or x less than minus 1 by 3. Please don't write this. It is not any process. We know S infinity equals to a by 1 minus r. At first I tried my level best to make understand how does it come that S infinity equals to a by 1 minus r. That is, what is a? A is 1 by 6x plus 1. What is r? R is 1 by, now you calculate, you can, I know that you can. Which is equal to 1 by 6x plus 1. Now 6x plus 1 can be taken as LCM. 6x plus 1 minus 1. That is 1 by into 6x plus 1 by if you have any question, please ask me. Next day, I will solve some extras from 3.2. I'll try my level best to make you understand easy and simple. Ptolemy's theorem, Brahma-Gupta's theorem. Today, Sylhet Board 2020. Sylhet Board 2020. Question number 3. A is equal to x minus 2 by x square whole to the power 6 and Px is equal to 6x cube x minus 1 2x minus 4 3x minus 9. Question number A. Expand 2x plus 3y whole to the power 4 by Pascal's triangle. Number B. Expand A up to first 5 terms and determine the constant term. Constant. Number C. Express Px as the sum of partial fractions. It is homework. You know that their marks will be given on homework. Today Honorable Education Minister has declared it. Anyway, this is homework. You will send it to me. You can do this math on paper and get its photos, and you can send it to me mentioning your section, roll number and name. You will mention 3 items. What is name, section, roll number, or even you can compose it also if you can. The best way to do maths on paper, okay, and get it, its photos, get its photos and send it to me in my email ID omyo.bhart@gmail.com. You will mention your name, section and roll number. Okay, marks will be given. omyo.bhart@gmail.com. My dear students, thank you very much. No more today. Best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.